Hey everybody, Matthew Moore's MM with you. Today is Monday, May 30th. It's time for another shop update. What's been going on this week? Well, I just got back from finally working live in Massachusetts, and a couple things going on there. Let's take a look before we get to this stuff here. What is in this bag? So this is the goodie bag that they gave everybody at the show. So first off, we got a nice little package of sandpaper here. It's got 50 different hook and loop 5-inch pads in here, or sanding discs. What else? Lee Valley. Oh, okay, so they've cut the sheets really thin so you can write on them like they're paper. Watch Rough Cut. North Bennett Street Schools Continuing Education Catalog. Sticker for Rough Cut. Letting you know that you can pre-order Michael Pekovich's book. That Matt Kenny's book is available and ready for purchase. Connecticut Valley School of Woodworking, a writing pad, some pencils, a pen, looks like a deck of playing cards, a deck of playing cards for spacing. So, you know, sometimes I use business cards, for instance, to do spacing. You can also use a deck of playing cards to do spacing as well for setting your drawer fronts, or your drawers itself, doors, etc. Panel routers, got some paper to write on. Can't forget about them. And then Diami gave me a sticker for the Modern Woodworking Association's podcast, which I will be on, or I have been on one of those episodes already that he recorded at the show. And then this bag with Type Bond's logo and Final Working Live's 2018 logo. So that's pretty cool. The other big thing here in the shop this week is I knew I'd already won these, but they came in the mail. And I got 2 awards for some videos and a video and some ads I'd run on Instagram for the Black Friday sale that I did at the end of last year, and we got a bronze Addy Award. The Addies are the American Advertising Awards, American Advertising Federation's awards for different categories. So anyways, this is a social media campaign, and yeah. So I got a bronze for that. And then I also entered the how to make a hand plane video. And that's in the film, video, sound, and branded content category. And got a bronze for that as well. So that was pretty cool. This will go up with my silver I got for the shop's website a couple of years ago. And I think I got a couple of bronzes for some other various things. So that's kind of cool. I'll go upstairs, don't really be here in the shop. That's it for this week. Let me know what you guys have been up to this week in the comments below as well. And as always, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Now, that first part there where it's please subscribe, I know there's a bunch of you who watch this update every week who haven't subscribed yet. Please do so. Hit that button right now, pound it, hit it hard, and subscribe to the channel. Now, if you're watching this on Facebook, hit the like button, share your timeline, and head over to the MM Woodsio page and like us there as well. And as always, have a great week in your shop.